babies.
Okay, so today we're gonna work on taking a person out the background. For tutorial purposes, I got this flyer here, right? And say I wanna put somebody on my flyer. I got a picture of this girl right here. First thing I'm gonna do is rasterize my layer, right click the layer, rasterize. Next, I'm gonna go over here. The eraser tool is normally highlighted. I'm gonna click and hold to background eraser tool. What you wanna do is make sure that you have this plus selected, discontiguous, and the tolerance changes depends on the image that you're using, but for now we're gonna use 50. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click the color that I don't want in my picture, and it's gonna remove the color. Click and drag all the way around her. I don't want the white around her at all. Get that white out of there. I don't want this blue around her. Get that blue out of there. There you go. Get that white. Change the size of my brush. Get this green. Put it in my flyer. Bam. There you go. And that's how you take the person out the background. Hope you guys learned something today. See you next time. Peace.